all of us then. Let me write here. When we had the fractions, let me say, or radical expressions or rational expressions, not radical, sorry, rational expressions, what we need, firstly, in all of them, firstly, we need to write them in standard form. Yes?
Yes.
I will take one of them in the other side, for example, this one to the other side, and it will be minus 3x minus 2 over 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, the first step is to equalize the denominator. So I will multiply first one by 3x plus 2 and the second one by 4x minus 1. Then it will become 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 2 minus 3x minus 2 times 4x minus 1 over 4x minus 1 times 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 we'll have. Now, we need to multiply them one by one. I will have 2x times 3x. I will have 6x squared. Then I have plus 9x. And here plus 4x and plus 6. Minus, I will open the parenthesis here, firstly to do the multiplication. I will have 12x squared, then minus 3x, minus 8x, and plus 2. Is okay, this one?
Okay.
Over
Yes.
x minus 1 times 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's see what we have here. 6x squared, 9x plus 4x will be 13x plus 6. And here we have minus 12x squared.
Plus 3x.
Here we have minus 3x minus 8x, which will be minus 11x. And this minus
Hello, teacher.
11x.
I'm sorry for being this late. I had problems with my internet.
Okay, Vesa. And plus 2 will be minus 2 over 4x minus 1 times 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now let's see again the simplification. We have plus 6x squared
minus 6x squared.
So it will be minus 6x squared. 13x plus 11x will
24.
be plus 24x and
plus 4.
plus 4 over 4x minus 1, 3x plus 2 is equal to 0.
First, we found what it cannot be.
Yes. We will say that 4x minus 1 cannot be 0, 3x plus 2 cannot be 0. Then 4x cannot be 1, x cannot be 1 over 4. 3x cannot be minus 2, and x cannot be minus 2 over 3. These are the values that x cannot take. Now I am taking the numerator, minus 6x squared plus 24x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here you can do simplification first. You can divide by 2 all the equation, or you can continue like this, doesn't matter.
Teacher, 6 minus 1?
6x and minus x.
Minus x.
Okay.
And 1 and 4.
1 and 4. Here you will have 24x. Here you will have minus 1x, 23x you will have.
Oh, okay.
Anyone else? Any other thing that we can do?
Can you go up, teacher, to take a screenshot?
Okay. Or you can check the discriminant, what will be.
Thank you.
Can we do factorization?
No, teacher, we can use the quadratic formula because we
Okay, let's see. Then, not to lose time, let's see the discriminant. We have b squared minus 4ac, which is 24 squared minus 4 times minus 6 times 4. It will be. Then 24 squared, it's, do we know 24 squared? Or someone who can help us?
24 squared, it will be 24.
25.
576, teacher.
576.
Yes, 576 minus times minus will be plus. And here we have 24 times 4, 80, 92 it is?
24 times 4, 96, teacher.
96.
9.
Yes. Why I said 94? Yeah, 96. Now, 576 plus 96, we'll get 12,
22.
16,
672, teacher.
72 or 82? Why I
72.
not do the addition today? And are you sure that it is 72?
Yeah, teacher, I can check with calculator.
Okay. Okay, then guys, you can continue with x1, x2, like minus 24 plus or minus root of 672 over minus 12 we will get. Why? Minus 2a, a is minus 6. Now, if you can do simplifications here, if you can find some common things that you can take out from this radical, I mean square root, and then you will find something, okay? Do you have the same thing, Giovanna?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
I did it correct.
okay. So I hope that it is understandable, and we are finishing the equations involving products and quotients. Today, we will have equations involving radicals. Radicals are the expressions with the square roots, you know, square roots or cube roots or fourth root. In general, we call them radicals, okay? So there will be some steps how we can solve equations involving radicals. First step is isolate the radicals. What does mean isolate the radicals? Take the radical expressions in one side to have only in one side radical expressions alone. You know, we have equality in one side to have the radical expressions. Then the second step, get rid of the radical sign. How we can get rid of the radical sign? When we are taking square root of the both sides. When we are taking square root of a radical sign, then they are canceling each other. And the third step is, if there is a still radical sign left, repeat step 1 and 2. And then the fourth step, solve the remaining equation and check for external solutions. What does it mean, external solutions? What we'll find at the end, some of them will not satisfy our equation, and that solutions will be external solutions. Now, let me show these steps, what they mean with these steps. As you can see here, we have root of 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. Here, first step is already given. We have the radical expression in one side, and it's alone, only the radical expression. Now I'm starting with the second step. Get rid of the radical sign. How it will be, I will take square of both sides. When I will take square of both sides, I will get square root and square will cancel each other. We'll have 2x plus 5 is equal to 49.
49
Then 2x will be 49
minus 5.
44.
Yes. 44, and then x will be
22.
22.
20.
22.
Then I will check if it is correct. 2 times, let's see here, let me write a check.
44 plus 5 will be 49, so the root of 49 is
2
7.
times 22 plus 5. which is 44 plus 5. As you said directly, we have 49, which is 7.
Teacher, haven't we studied this last year?
I don't know.
Yes, teacher, because
Something.
I know this.
I remember squaring
Yeah.
both of them.
Yes, we studied maybe something related to this one. Yes. Okay. Now the second one. In the second one, we have root of 2x minus 5 plus x is equal to 4. Here, firstly, we need to do the first step, isolate the radicals. What does it mean? I will leave this radical sign alone. How? I will take this x to the other side, and then it will become root of 2x minus 5 is equal to 4 minus x. Yes?
Yeah.
Now my radical is alone here. Now I will take square of both sides. Why I am not taking square of both sides from here? What do you think? Without doing the first step. From the beginning. Why I'm not taking square of both sides? What do you think?
Because we need to put x to the other side first so that it doesn't become too complicated and that we can eliminate the root.
Yes, if I will take directly the root square of both sides here, what I will get? I will get plus x square and 4 square. Then here I have binom square.
Oh, okay. Binomial.
And when I have binom square, I will have the radical sign again. It will not finish, you know. It is not wrong if you will take the square correctly, like first one square plus 2 times first one times second one, you know, the steps. But like this, it's easier for me. When I will take square of both sides, directly here, this one will cancel. I will get 2x minus 5. And here I will have
4 squared minus
binom
2x.
square, yes. Then 2x minus 5 will be 16 minus 8x plus
X.
square. Yes?
Yes.
It's okay?
It's
Yes.
okay. Now teacher, the unknowns in the other side.
Yes. Now we'll take all of them in one side and we'll get, as you see, a quadratic equation. I will take all these to the other side, not to have minus x squared, you know, because x squared is plus. Then I will have x squared minus 8x. Then this minus 2x. We have 16 here already, and plus 5 is equal to 0. Then x squared minus 10x plus 21 equal to 0. Then as you can see, directly we can see the factors. 21 is 3 and 7. But we have minus 10 here, so both of them will be minus. And then x1 will be 3, x2 will be 7. Now let's see if both of them works. Let's see here. First one, times 7 minus 5 plus 7. So 2 times 7 is 14. Minus 5.
Teacher, the second one won't work. This one won't work, I think. 14
Plus
minus 5 will
7.
be 9.
9, root of 9 is 3 plus 7, it's 10, but it's not 4, as you can see.
Yeah.
Has to be.
But the other one will work with
So
the 3.
this one is not our solution. And for the second one, if you will see, 2 times 3 minus 5 plus 3 we have, then 6 minus 5 plus 3, which will be 1 plus 3, it's 4. So this one works, okay?
Teacher, is there a way to know which one is the right one?
Check
Directly.
only. No.
Only to check, teacher?
Yes, of course.
Too long.
Yeah, it's a bit long, but so 7 is extra now solution for us here, okay? While you are writing, if you're writing or taking screenshot or whatever you are doing, let me take the attendance, because always I'm forgetting to take attendance.
Excuse me, teacher, can you go up a little bit?
Okay. It's okay?
Yes, teacher, it's okay, thank you.
Alexander, are you here? Alexander
Yes,
is
teacher.
talking.
Yes,
I think Alexander is not listening me. Then he watches videos from YouTube to understand.
Nu mă dăm să distucă. Ciuti.
Chuti. Eva.
But teacher, my little brother stay in my room. I can't find him.
Chuti, huh? Eva. Yes, Yusuf is here. Yusuf?
Here, teacher.
Here, Yusuf. Okay, Anita? Anita? What happened to Anita? Alexander?
Here.
Eva?
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay, Elsa?
Here, teacher.
Amra?
I'm here.
Yona?
Here.
Okay, Stephanie?
Here.
Okay. Fatih?
Here, teacher.
Fariye?
Here.
Tringa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Ardita?
Here, teacher.
Ah?
I'm here.
Giovanna?
I'm here.
Okay. Vesa?
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. Stanislav? Stanche?
I'm here, teacher. I'm here.
Salman?
Here, teacher.
Okay. Rumesa?
Here.
Okay. Sarah?
Here.
Man?
I'm here.
Here. Hamza? No. Besam?
Here, teacher.
Okay. What you had before this lesson, guys?
We had
Mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
Mother tongue.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's okay? Did you write this one?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's see some different questions here. Equations involving an absolute value, but let me check in the book. We had this. In radicals, we had in book you have more maybe complicated. I want to solve one more question because only that ones are not enough. So let me open a new chart. Okay. And I will solve one question that is not solved. For example, from check yourself 11, check yourself 11. The third question, exercise 3. Here you have root of x plus 2 minus root of 4x plus 8 is equal to minus 3. Here, guys, as you see, how we can isolate these radicals. For example, we have both of them. If I will take square directly, you know that it will be very complicated. But if you will leave only one radical in one side, the other one in the other side, again, it will help you. So let's do like that. Root of x plus 2 is equal to, here we have minus 3. It's minus 3. I'm not sure if I've written correctly. Yeah, it's minus 3, not to have that bad numbers. Minus 3, and this one, when I will take to the other side, I will have plus root of 4x plus 8, yes? Now, when I will take a square of both sides, only for us not to have problems, one more time I will write in this way. It seems more understandable. Now, when I will take square of both sides, here in the first part, I will get only x plus 2. In the second part, we have binomial square, and then it will be in this way. Root of 4x plus 8 square minus 2 times 3 times root of 4x plus 8 and plus 3 square, okay? When you are taking square, binomial square, don't forget this one, okay?
After taking one square, can we take another or not?
Yes, you can take.
Okay.
Now, x plus 2 we have here. These ones will cancel each other. 4x plus 8 minus 6 root of 4x plus 8 you will have, and plus 9. Now, as you can see, we have again a radical expression here. So again, I will isolate this one. To isolate this one, I will take all of them in one side, the radical expression one side. Because this one is minus, I want to make it plus. I'm taking to the other side 6 root of 4x plus 8. Here what we have, 4x, this plus 8 plus 9 will be plus 17, and I'm taking these ones to the other side. Minus x minus 2 I will have. Then 6 root of 4x plus 8. Then we have 3x plus 15. Here you can do simplification again if you want. You can simplify by 3, and you will have 2 root 4x plus 8, x plus 15. Why I'm doing this one? Because I will take one more time square, not to have very big numbers. Because
I have problem with internet connection.
Okay, Anita. So when I will take square here again, because I have the radical expression, I need to get rid of it. Then I will take square again. Then I will have here 4 times 4x plus 8. And here we'll have x plus 5 square. Then we have 16x plus this one will be 32 is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 25. It's okay?
It's okay.
Now, again, I will continue. X squared plus 10x minus 16x plus 25 plus 25 minus 32 is equal to 0. Then we have x squared minus 6x, and here what we'll have? Minus 7?
Yeah.
To 0. Then what will be the factor?
X and minus 3,
Minus
7.
7 and plus 1, because here we have minus 6. Then we will have x1 as 7, 2 as minus 1. Now, what we'll do, we will check. So
is checking needed?
Yes, to find which is our solution. Then we had, what was our roots?
minus 7 and minus 1.
Okay, so I'm writing 7 plus 2 minus 4 times 7, 28 plus 8. We have 7 plus 2, it's root of 9 minus root of 36 will be. So this is 3 minus,
It will be true. It's
which
okay.
will be minus 3. It's okay. And the other one was minus 1 plus 2 minus root of, here we'll have minus 4 plus 8, then root of
This one, it will be minus 2.
minus, this one is root of 4, then it's
Minus
1 minus 2, which is minus 1. So it's not, this one is not our solution. Only 7 is our solution. Okay?
It's okay.
Did we understand?
Yes. Teacher, it is okay, but it's too long.
Yeah, teacher,
Yes.
it's too long. It's like
Yes.
you get it, but then it gets a little bit confusing, and you get it again, but like.
So you need to be very careful and not to in hurry, you know, to solve it. Oh yeah, I can solve it. You need to be very careful the steps, what you are doing. Not-
Yes, teacher, we need to be careful while we use photomath. It's really hard.
Thank you for this hint for me that you gave.
No problem, teacher.
Photomath. It gives all the steps. Yes, I saw.
It
No.
doesn't give anything. It gives only the solution, and we don't know how
Yeah,
to do it.
it
There
works
are-
for
Yes.
fractions only.
Let's tell all the things, and then gives more.
Teacher, I tried once in middle school the photomath because I didn't study for my maths exam, and then the teacher knew that I know how to solve, but I didn't study, and she asked me, "How did you find this? Find it?" And I didn't know how to explain.
Yeah,
will-
someone in middle school. I've been using it through high school.
I will call you one by one in the school and ask the questions in the exam, for example, how solving on the board.
Great.
And then,
Okay, teacher, it's not problem.
and then we'll see who is solving, who is using different kinds of ways for solutions. It's okay, this one?
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay. After this, we'll have equations involving, where was it? Involving absolute value. And this part is a bit like, not hard, but as you are saying, long, confusing. How many minutes? We have 5 minutes. We will-
Fine.
5.
Okay, I can start. Continue next lesson. You know, generally, what does mean absolute value? Do you remember?
When we have minus or plus 5, so we can have always a positive.
Yes.
Yes, absolute value is always positive.
The things that when you are taking out of absolute value, it's always positive. But inside of the absolute value, we can have two different solutions. Yes. What am I
Teacher, if it's not a real number, something like
talking? I'm talking about this. Remember the logic of the absolute value. If you have, for example, absolute value of x is equal to 3, if it says, it means that x can be 3 or
3 or minus 3.
be minus 3.
Minus.
For x, we have two different solutions, because even if it is minus inside of the absolute value, we are taking out as plus. Because of that, here in this kind of questions, we have two different solutions. And here, when we'll have equations with absolute value, we'll take two different cases, two cases. If the inside part is positive or negative. For example, how it works. First case, let me write. If because if our absolute value of x minus 2 is equal to 5, then I have x minus 2 is equal to 5, or second case, x minus 2 is equal to minus 5, yes? So from here, x will be 7, and from here, x will be minus
-3.
So we have two solutions for x. Okay? Did we understand?
Yes, teacher.
It's
So
clear.
always if you have absolute value, you will have two cases. First case, the positive one. Second case, the negative one. Okay?
And now we should check if it is.
Second one. In the second one, here it's very easy for us, as you can see, because here it's equal to 5. Directly I'm taking when x minus 2 is positive and when x minus 2 is negative. But here, because it's x plus 1, here we'll do in this way. It's better for us. First case, again, when 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. What does mean greater than or equal to 0? When it is positive, it means. Okay?
Okay.
So here, 2x is greater than or equal to 3. Yes, I'm taking minus 3 to the other side. And x will be greater than or equal to 3 over 2. Our x values will be greater than or equal to 3 over 2 for the first case. Now, how I will continue? I will take what I said that 2x minus 3 is positive, so I'm taking out from the absolute value as positive. And then I will try to solve, and unknowns in one side, knowns into the other side. 2x minus x is equal to 1 plus 3, so x will be 4. Is 4 greater than 3 over 2?
Yes.
Yes, so this one is one of the solution. For the second case, what I have, if 2x minus 3 is less than 0. In this case, 2x will be less than 3 and x will be less than 3 over 2. When I'm saying that 2x minus 3 is less than 0, it means that it's minus. So I will take out as minus, yes?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, teacher.
2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 1. Then I will take 3 minus 1 is equal to x plus, what is 2x? And then we will have, less than 1 minute we have.
2 is equal to minus.
2 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 3 over 2. Here we are saying that